There they go, Night Ninja. The rest of the PJ Masks blind bags. If we get those, we'll have them all. Time to add them to the collection. What was that sound? Quick, hide, Night Ninja. I think the PJ Masks are coming. They must have heard us. I definitely heard something. It sounded like Romeo and Night Ninja. Let me go see what that sound was. Hey Gekko, I heard a noise, so I decided to come check it out. Me too. It sounded like Romeo and Night Ninja. Yeah, but I don't see anything. We should have a look around. We'll just hide here until they leave, and then we'll be gone with all of these blind bags. Night Ninja, shh, be quiet. Get up before they hear you. I knew it. Romeo and Night Ninja, what are you doing at our headquarters? Hey everybody, I'm back with more PJ Masks blind bags. Hey, where are all of the blind bags? So that's it, you stole our blind bags. They're my blind bags now. Hey, let us out of here. Those blind bags are for our PJ Masks fans. Okay, PJ Masks, let's get back our blind bags. Stand back. Now that we have all of the blind bags back, let's open them and see what surprises are inside. These are Series 1 PJ Masks blind bags. And these are all of the figures that we can collect. We can get Luna Girl, Gekko and Catboy, Owlette and Romeo, another Catboy figure, Amaya and Greg, a rare Connor, the regular Connor, Night Ninja and Ninjalino. Let's see who we get first. Our first figure is Catboy, and it looks like he's in an action pose. Let's see what we get next. Oh, that's a duplicate. We got another Catboy figure. This is a different Catboy figure. He looks like he's ready to take off. Let's see if we can get some of the other PJ Masks figures. Awesome! I know who that is. We got Amaya. Do you know what PJ Masks character she becomes? Owlette. And back to Amaya. Okay, let's see who else we got. Oh, that's Connor. Do you know which PJ Masks character Connor becomes? He becomes Catboy. And then Connor again. We got Luna Girl. She's holding her Luna magnet, which she uses to control things. There are so many characters I still want to get. Let's keep looking. Awesome, we got Greg. Can you guess what PJ Masks character Greg turns into? Gekko. And back to Greg. Only 3 blind bags left. We got another Catboy. So far, that's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 Catboys. Let's see who else we can get. I really hope we get Romeo, Night Ninja, or Ninjalino. Oh, that's cool. We got another Greg figure. Okay, this is our last chance to get one of the other figures. Yay, we got Night Ninja. He's one of the villains, and he's usually seen with the Ninjalinos. Hey, is anyone gonna let us out of here?
Let's learn colors using the learning resources sorting time. Let's sort the fruit by their colors. The first one is a purple grape. Let's put it with the purple. This is a yellow banana. Let's put it with the yellow. A green banana, put it with the green. A green strawberry for the green color. The yellow lemon goes with the yellow. Red grapes goes with red. A red strawberry for the red color. The yellow lemon. The purple grapes. A green strawberry for the green color. We have an orange that goes with orange. We have a purple plum, it goes with purple. We have red grapes for the red. Some more red grapes for the red. Now we have purple grapes for the purple. A green strawberry for the green color. A green banana for the green. A yellow banana for the yellow. Another yellow banana. Red grapes for the red color. Another yellow banana for the yellow. A purple plum for the purple color. Another purple plum for the purple. An orange for the orange color. An orange peach for the orange color. A purple plum for the purple. A green strawberry for the green color. Purple grapes for the purple. Yellow lemon for yellows. Another yellow lemon for the yellow. Purple grapes for the purple. Another yellow banana for the yellow. An orange peach for the orange color. A red strawberry for the red color. An orange peach for the orange color. An orange peach for the orange color. We have an orange peach and an orange for the orange color. A red strawberry for the red color. Two green strawberries for the green color. One yellow lemon for the yellow color. One purple plum for the purple color. Purple grapes for the purple color. Yellow banana for the yellow color. An orange for the orange color. Another orange for the orange color. A red strawberry for the red color. A green banana for the green color. Another green banana for the green color. A red strawberry for the red color. A purple plum for the purple color. A green banana for the green color. Red grapes for the red color. A red strawberry for the red color. A yellow lemon for the yellow color. An orange peach for the orange color. A red strawberry for the red color. And a green banana for the green color. The pie is all sorted. That's right, Chase and Marshall. Purple, green, orange, red, and yellow.
Give us a like and share with all of your friends.
The Mickey Mouse Clubhouse members are hanging out while they get their cars worked on. Oh no, they're leaving before their cars are ready. I guess they got tired of waiting. But that's okay. We'll go find them when their cars are ready. It's time for Jumbo Crayon Surprises. Blue crayon. Blue boat. Blue squishy owl. blue reindeer. We found our first Mickey Mouse surprise. It's Pilot Mickey. It looks like Mickey's car is ready. Green crayon. Green celery. Green pepper. Green squishy ball. That's neat. If you squeeze it, it turns blue. Look who we found. It's police dog Pluto, and he was in the green crayon. It looks like Pluto's returned early because he has to wait for Goofy to give him a ride. Purple crayon. Purple Nerds candies. Purple popsicle. Purple Pez candy. That's awesome! We found Beach Daisy, and she was in the purple crayon. Daisy rode in one of Mickey's cars, and it looks like that car is ready for her to pick up. Pink crayon. Pink squishy owl. Pink ice cream. Pink flowers. We found our fourth Mickey Mouse Clubhouse member, Beach Minnie, in the pink crayon. Minnie Mouse has returned for her scooter, but where is it? Red crayon. Red Lightning McQueen. Red tomato slice. Red fire hydrant. We found our fifth Mickey Mouse Clubhouse member. It's Explorer Goofy, and he was in the red crayon. It looks like Goofy came back at the right time because his vehicle is ready. And so is Pluto. Orange crayon. Orange color pencil. Orange carrot. pumpkin. Our final Mickey Mouse Clubhouse member is Donald Duck, and he was in the orange crayon. Donald's been working hard delivering mail all day, so he's gonna catch a ride from Daisy. All of the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse members have picked up their cars, and we learned our colors.
Give us a like and share with all of your friends. Click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, or you can click on the picture to watch another fun video. Thanks for watching.